Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off and removing external power. Make sure the battery is isolated to avoid shorts. Once done, use a plastic pry tool at the edge of the space key to gently pop the cap up. Apply even pressure near a corner. You're doing this so you can access the scissor or bar stabilizer beneath. Without removing the cap, you can't clear debris or check the hinge. Keep parts organized so reassembly is straightforward. Now focus on the mechanism. Blow compressed air into both ends and under the stabilizer to remove loose debris. If the key is sticky, lightly moisten a cotton swab with 70–90% isopropyl and clean the contact points. Make sure not to soak the area. Next, inspect the scissor hinge or metal bar for broken clips or bent tabs. This is why cleaning often fixes unresponsive keys, but broken parts require replacement. Work methodically so you don't miss a misaligned clip. To finish, align the stabilizer bar and scissor clips, then lower the spacebar cap straight down and press firmly until you hear a click. Once reattached, test repeated presses and long holds to confirm even travel and consistent actuation. If the key still sticks or feels loose, try repositioning the clips and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if the hinge or clips are cracked beyond repair, order the exact replacement part or use an external USB/Bluetooth keyboard while you source parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.